All right, guys, today we have two brand new scents from Honyocker Beard Company. One's called Sahara, one's called Ménage à Trois, and they are releasing today, right now, as we speak. So hold on just a second and I'll tell you which ones I like. I like one, the other one not so much, but that's how it goes sometimes. Welcome, guys. My name's Brian. This is my Beards and Banjos YouTube channel where we try to help you grow your best beard possible. Thank you so much for joining me. And this one surprised me a little bit because I read the scent profiles and I'm not really sure which one I'm going to like. I think I'm going to like one more than the other. And I think this one was backwards from the way it was supposed to be. Anyway, let's talk about Sahara. I've got it here in the oil and the butter. All right. So, and it is amber, black cardamom, black oud, musk. And if you know me, all of those are big hits. Check, 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 check. And then I get to the end and it's patchouli. And sometimes that works for me. And then sometimes it's a little bit too prominent. For me, all I get's the patchouli pretty much. And this one's just not for me. So if you're really into the patchouli type of scents, I think that would be one you like. So that one for me is patchouli forward. It's not one where it's blended away in the background. At least that's what I get out of it. So you have to let me know who likes patchouli. That one is kind of one of those polarizing scents. I know Adam, he doesn't care if he's polarized. He's going to put out what he likes. So I respect that about him. This other one, I love. This one's a good candidate for best scents of the year. All right, so I think it'll probably make that video coming up. But this one's called Ménage à Trois. And it is, and we're going all French here, aren't we? But anyway, it is incense, saffron, musk, oud, shea, and cashmere. All right. And I like all of those. Sometimes, you know, incense, you really don't know what you're going to get. Saffron sometimes can make things a little bit like too floral, too herby, those kind of things. This is a really good scent. So I get a little sweet out of it. And it's just fresh. You get the oud. I kind of get the oud and the cashmere is what I get mostly. And then the musk. I don't really get tons of like dark incense. This is not necessarily a dark scent. It's kind of a rich and sweet scent without it being fruity. And I think that's a really good thing. Works really good for me. So I've tried that a few times. And then we've got the butter that goes along with it. If you have not tried any of the Honyocker butters recently over the past couple months, so it has been reformulated and now it's quite a bit softer. It works very well. But let me go over the carriers and stuff really quickly. So on the oil, you've got, there you go, camera. So you've got jojoba, sweet almond, avocado, argan, castor, and vitamin E. Works really well. I would say it's a medium blend, maybe just a hair on the thicker side of medium. Kind of depends on, you know, your preferences and what you're used to using. And then on the butter, you've got shea butter, cocoa butter, and then you got all the carrier oils, and then you've also got a little bit of beeswax, but this this will work daytime or nighttime now, whereas the former version formulation was a little bit thick for me to put on like right before I went to bed. This one is really good. So if you have not tried that out, check it out. Check out these scents if they sound interesting to you. If you like patchouli, try that Sahara. And then if you like kind of rich, slightly sweet kind of scents that's not fruity, check out Ménage à Trois. I think you will enjoy it as much as I do. And as always, guys, I appreciate you watching and we'll see you on the next video.